The Bushcrafty Talks.
What's up? Bushcrafty. Bushcrafty Talks. What's everybody doing today? Me? I'm breaking the bank, going to the post office of all places. Sending out a bunch of envelopes with seeds and whatnot in there. Boy, it's been an ordeal getting them seeds out, let me tell you. First of all, I didn't know we were going to have that many people, so I only bought a few things of seeds, and here everybody and their brother wanted to get into this collaboration. So been sending them out. Ooh. Nice day out. So far, it looks pretty good. I read a sign back here. Breakfast special. 2 eggs, bacon, and toast for $8.50. Woo-wee. Better be some good eggs and toast. Oh, and then 2 pieces of bacon too. Yeah, I think I'll pass on that. The Amish have lowered their prices on their eggs. It's only $3.99 a dozen now, which is good. I mean, I was paying $5, or I mean, yeah, $5, $4.99 a dozen, but the big old eggs and fresh eggs at that. So you can't beat that. You can't. And they're all free ranged, so that's even better. Oh boy. So we're at the post office, so it'll take me a bit, so I'll go in there and then we'll continue our conversations when I get down out of here. Ain't gonna fit in that parking spot. People need to learn how to park. Parked in 2 spots. There we go. Found one. It's pretty bad. We'll be back. What's up? We back. Whew. That took some time. America. That's a nice truck. Oh, okay. So where were we? Oh, yeah. Well, everybody that's joined that contest, guess what? Your seeds are on the way. And them ladies are real nice in there. They put the seeds in there, or I mean, the stamps on there for me and everything. Usually they would spit them through the machine when there's a lot of them, but their machine is down, so they actually had to put each stamp on there. And instead of just giving me the stamps, they went ahead and put the stamps on there themselves to send them out. You don't get that too much anymore. You know what I mean? And I was just kind of making fun of that place back there for the price of that 2 eggs and toast and bacon. But that is like the only place, and it's not like a diner either. You go up to the counter and they give you food and you sit down. They don't actually have where you go in, you sit down and order, and a waitress comes over and pours your coffee and all that. We don't have that in this town anymore, except maybe the Bob Evans, or Bob Evans. That's it. That's the only place around here that, is a diner type place. And I wouldn't call Bob Evans a diner because that's a franchise type thing. But so often, those are going away. I mean, nobody goes out, has coffee and has breakfast out anymore. There's a lot of stuff like that, though. A lot of things we don't see anymore. And my dad used to joke around saying he used to go to soda shops where they would, make the fresh soda and stuff like that, and ice cream and stuff. You don't see those anymore. Well, back then, I mean, there was maybe a few of them, but now there's none of those. I think I'm about to park over here. Everybody's taking my parking spots. Go ahead and sit here for a few minutes. Oh, we're not seeing those things anymore. The camera's all wonky. Pretty soon, what do you think? What do you think is some of the things that we will stop seeing? Just the thing like at the post office, actually going to the desk and they actually helping you. And see, I don't know how it is everywhere else. Like they'll have machines to where you get stamps and stuff, to where you have to put just stamps on yourself. I know it sounds weird. Oh, you don't have to put stamps on. No, it's things like that we are we're not seeing that much more. That service, that where people help you and stuff. Now it's just like nobody talks to you. There's no conversation. There's no, fellowship of talking or anything like that. Very seldom that do you start up a conversation with people now. It's getting to be a very, very cold world. How do we combat that? You see somebody that kind of looks grumpy, or they're not in a very good mood or something, or they look sad or something like that. Just say hello. How are you doing today? If somebody is at a counter or something, you spark up a conversation. Talk with people. Now, I've had a lot of people tell me, well, it's because you're up north, which is true. um, we're a more grumpier type, I guess, up here. We don't talk too much and stuff like that. But I hear this all over the place. I hear this happening a lot. Now down south, it's probably not as much. But it seems like the world is getting cold, and I don't mean temperature wise. And we need to combat that. Bring some compassion back into the world and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Go in here and see if I can find any goodies. Till next time, God bless.